I'm really interested to know a little bit about the way in Feldenkrais the mind and the body work together.
Yeah, it is one of my favorite aspects of the work because it is not just about movement.
Yeah,
It is about how you use your mind
yeah,
to interact with your brain and your nervous system to change your movement, and how your movement can change your nervous system and your mind and your brain.
right.
It's a fascinating, a trio of
Yeah,
players.
yeah,
In awareness through movement, we work a lot. You're more actively aware with your mind because I'm guiding you through to do a particular movement and to sense what you're doing. I may have you attend to this part of yourself, that part of yourself, or notice this or that, and make variations that really challenge the mind and challenge yourself in thinking. And this is, really significant part of the work. Now, the lessons themselves, if you just went through and just read a lesson, like you go to the book Awareness Through Movement, you just read a lesson, you don't do any of the awareness stuff, you'll still benefit from it.
mm,
If you add the aspect of working with the mind, bring the mind into it, you get a whole another level of the work. It goes in much, much more deeply. And I think that was one of the other aspects of Moshe's brilliance, was bringing those systems together like that.